Hello, this is CI Team 1, and today we are going to present the marketing strategies for shuttle delivery. Shuttle Delivery is a delivery app founded in 2016 by Jason, the CEO. After noticing that there were limited ways to order a late-night burrito in Seoul, he established the Seoul Shuttle app. By providing delivery services from a variety of Korea's best restaurants, the company has earned the trust and built up the brand image through a premium food delivery experience. Even because it provides a bilingual service, it has a great advantage that both English and Korean users can use the service. Most of Shuttle's users are women between the ages of 20 and 45, but now it has more than 160,000 users.
The food delivery market in South Korea has been on a steady rise for the past decade, as more and more people use these systems each day. Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, the growth has been exponential for the past year, as the need for food delivery has grown due to a lack of public eating in restaurants. The current growth status of the market will make growing businesses, such as Shuttle, easier to break out, as the rapid growth of the market will create many new opportunities, as there will be a need for solutions for new problems that occur in the market. This makes it an optimal time for Shuttle to introduce new strategies.
Currently, Shuttle Delivery is in a situation where they have to collect more Korean users. As you can see in the review section, there are 0 Korean reviews. Even though the app's uniqueness of promoting culture and foreign language is attracting foreign users, it is not yet successful in attracting Korean users. As South Korea is mostly a homogeneous society, only attracting foreign customers is not enough to thrive as a company. Thus, we acknowledge that the core problem that we are trying to solve within the company is to attract more Korean customers so that we are able to accommodate a wider range of customers in the community. Now to discuss the industry that we're in, our team understands that owning a delivery app company means intense competition with other delivery apps like Yogiyo, Pemin, and Coupang Eats, which are already dominant within the domestic market. We would like to differentiate Shuttle Delivery from all the other apps and eventually think of modifications along with marketing strategies that will allure the customers to utilize Shuttle Delivery over the other existing companies. Our first strategy is targeted towards Korean male audience. The game League of Legends, also known as LoL, is a popular game in Korea. Our first strategy is to promote the app through a famous streamer of League of Legends. The first step is to sponsor them with our app and let them stream and play their game eating from any restaurant they want. As there is a Korean culture where streamers play with their viewers or subscribers, we would like to force these streamer subscribers to use the app. This is how it works. In order to play the game with their favorite streamer, the viewer should use the app, order the food, and patiently wait to be randomly selected to play the game with the YouTuber. Even though this can be discussed further, our group's initial recommendation for a particular streamer will be Abdullah Kharosa on YouTube, a YouTuber that is a mix between Pakistani and South Korea. He's a YouTuber that goes along with the motive of the app itself, as he's a foreigner himself with a huge amount of popularity from anyone who enjoys playing League of Legends. Thus, our plan is not simply exposing the app, but also getting the audience engaged with the YouTuber. Exposing the app through a YouTuber using the app and providing an incentive to use the game through giving them the possibility of playing their favorite game with their favorite YouTuber will not only introduce the app to a wider range of audience, but also increase the usage of the app itself.
By estimating the amount of money each strategy costs to initiate and comparing it to the estimated revenue in which each strategy will bring, our group made these financial projections to test the effectiveness of each strategy presented. From our research, we found that the average YouTube partnership in Korea costs about 40 million won to initiate and about 100 million won to maintain per year for YouTubers with around 600,000 to 800,000 subscribers, which is around the target we have for our YouTube partners. One daily user is estimated to generate about 3,000 won in revenue per year for the average delivery company. By calculating our estimated increase in users from this strategy, we are able to calculate the total revenue and cost annually of the solution. As shown in the table and graph, the strategy reaches the break-even point at year 4, where this solution will continue to generate exponential profit for Shuttle.
Our next strategy is targeting younger users. According to the research, it has been proven that collaboration with characters or making goods for specific apps has increased annual sales. For example, Bingre, a Korean company widely known as a company promoting banana milk, built a stable profit through the dairy product business. Yet, as times changed, the company noticed that they should also deal with younger customers, so Bingrek changed their marketing strategy. They decided to make goods with products that represent Bingrek, and it was a huge collaboration with the clothing company Spao. Because they targeted students living in Korea, the result was a great success. They designed goods such as t-shirts, slippers, and backpacks, which were needed items for Korean students. Moreover, the sales of ice cream products drawn in the goods also increased. After that, the company designed characters with Binger's representative items and is still actively promoting on Instagram. Reflecting on this method, Shuttle can characterize foreign foods that can represent the app or design goods that directly promote the app. This may greatly affect the young audience since most of them like to collect character goods with a charming logo and also like a famous character product. It will be deeply recognized in the user's memory.
For fashionable goods, approximately 40% of the cost of the goods is spent in manufacturing the good itself. By using this, we are able to estimate the amount of revenue that the goods sold will bring. Aside from the revenue generated by the goods system will also help increase users, which will also create additional revenue, calculated in the graph below. By also considering the costs of additional employment and development needed for implementing the goods system, we are able to calculate the total revenue and cost. The graph reaches the break-even point at year 3, where the system will then continue to generate profit.
Our last strategy is to keep the users that are already using the app and having a unique system of coupons. The significant problem that was identified within the competitive delivery companies like Paymeet is the fact that their delivery fees are extremely high and there are less and less promotion. Thus, many users are dissatisfied with this sort of behavior from the app. What the company can do is to shape the image of the company not just as a profit-seeking one, but with the pure intention to allow users to connect to safe restaurants. In order to do this, we thought of a coupon system that will be entertaining for the users. It is to make up letters with the restaurants they order. In order to promote diversity in food, we are going to label each company's food with a letter. For example, Chinese food can be A and Mexican food can be B. With these, the users would have to complete a word each week or month in order to get a discount or a free coupon depending on how often they are able to complete the challenge. The word's length can be modified each month and based on the reactions of the users. One of the ideas we had was to make the word's name of each month. For example, the users would have to complete March for this month. However, the words can be modified and changed depending on what kind of events or promotion Shuttle Delivery has at that time. For example, if the Shuttle Delivery is currently using the marketing strategy for a first idea, the mission word can be LOL. This coupon system not only encourages the customers to buy more food through the app in an entertaining way, but also could be a source for further marketing strategies by repeatedly putting in the promotion keywords into the users.
For the coupon system, we targeted short-term and fast profit, as the needed cost for the solution doesn't cost as much as the other solutions. The coupon costs are proportional to the increased users from the solution. The break-even point starts right at year 1, and the solution makes short-term profit, as shown in the graph.
Thank you, and this was CI Team 1.